Folks, you know, people tell you to get a service to clean out your air dryer, vents that go up into the ceiling or out towards the back. Remember, it's not just the vents. Look at this. This is what you find in the back of the dryer itself, from where the motor blows it out to the vents. Look at that. It sits right there in that corner, and nobody sees that. So if you're ever into doing maintenance on your dryer, either changing the wheel or the belt, do yourself a favor, take the back off, take this vent piece off, because this is the part that the filter goes into. Okay, when you slide the filter in. All right, look at that. Sits right in there. That could be your fire right there. Okay, because right here next to it is where the heat is, to heat up the dryer. So it's just a matter of time. If there's any dust, it catches fire and it goes right there. All right, so vacuum everything. There was dust everywhere. Lint, just like that. All right, so yeah, even though you pay for that service to clean the outside of the house, don't forget the dryer itself. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao. Love the echo.